5 tribes apex ho, Angami Public Organization, Ao Sendan, Lota ho, Rengma ho, and Simi ho to represent the respective tribes while constituting 5 tribes committee on review of reservation policy submit this memorandum seeking your immediate attention and necessary action. The Naga Job reservation policy for backward tribes has been in effect for the past 47 years, during which tribes under job reservation have been benefited significantly, even surpassing many advanced tribes. This job reservation policy was supposed to be renewed every 10 years, but in 1987, the government notified that the existing policy will continue till further orders, which is continuing till then. So, continuing till then. The recommendation of various committees for review of reservation policy set up by the state government in the past have been kept in cold storage.
My utmost gratitude to each and every one of you who have gathered here today. We are here because we are not compelled to be here, but it is for our future generation. Your concern shows that you really give concern to our own students, for our future generation.
अलग-अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाएगा है अभी 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट 5 ट्राइब्स में 8 डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो ये दे अभी जा अपने न्यू लैंड लगा दी जाएगा एक लोग पूरे अपने बात में आने जाना
Well, thank you so much, Media Fraternity, for turning up. It is indeed has been a displeasure for every Nagas residing in Nagaland in regard to reservation policy. Reservation policy was enacted to uplift the economically down within people, but now it has become a mockery system for our own Naga tribe. Ishna backward Kotaura sub backward at the same time aru sit 100 45% backward Kota dibo. How did 55% Thaka general quota devi tahan merit basis and kiba basis but almost out of 100%, 70 to 80% backward quota coverage. The so-called advanced tribe are now regarded as backward. Forward will be generally Nagaland pretext context Amigan so-called forward tribe, namely Ao, Angami, Lotha, Sema, Aro, Rengma. Forward tribe backward administration sector key sector our demand is either the government scrap the backward quota or backward quota key reservation 55% backward tribe that is our demand. When I say this, those regarded as backward tribe, they might spit on us. To do hatred. Future generation will really thank us. We can do protest future generation, upcoming generation can salam dibo. Aru mohan do mohan la benefit nijona, mohan la future generation ninde kan itu korase.
Thank you. Aji ami kan itu kuri taka to government to 1977 para job reservation to implement koriche. No doubt to bring equal status. Kintu now 48 years. Every 10 years revision asle. Hole bi ekelogo government to 40 years tok tipo revision nai, review ko nai. Aro rich kan to rich hoye ase, poor kan to poor hoye ase. Status naga manu to tate dangor nai, buru nai, sob equal status ase. Why government has kept silent so long? 48 years to kila chipsa hoye ase. Aro kila itu to different discrimination between the Nagas and ase. Aro itu kila itu to tagan to every 10 years to review kurwala kila kurana. Itu karena Nagaman to equal status dibo lagibo, equal enjoyment dibo lagibo, equal distribution ji hole bi itu diwa lagibo eto kan itu peace rally to kora to we demand to review immediately and bring the equal status to every nagas itu amkana status ajiri peace rally.
Thank you, media fraternity. Despite of the weather, itia amila agete Western Sumi Student Union President, Western Sumi General Secretary Braki ase Mahalbra koi dishe. I'm speaking on behalf of Western Sumi Kagami Hoho. Itia Western Sumi Kagami Hoho te itia Newland district mili gina hai tinta district te ami han kati cooperation koi ase. Itia kwa nishna. This movement is actually, this reservation has started on the basis of economically backward challenges karne. So down the years, we have passed 47 years and now ongoing 48 years. So itia saate, I want to appeal to all the Nagas from Nagaland. This is not about the 5 tribes per se. All the tribes of Nagaland ke ami kan on behalf of the 5 tribes welcome Kuratu. This is not only to discriminate or to uplift or to take away the reservation. This is for everybody. Apni han bhi aayega nam han ke cooperation kori bole. This will also involve the 5 mentioned tribes as well as the other tribes of Nagaland. And then itu reservation to hatai digena economically backward challenge khan ki hai. Itu government pra policy kori implement koribo. Itu bara itu to ekhan ge apni han ke sideline koran hoy nohile apni han ke hatai dian hoy nohile apni han ke overtake koran hoy itu message to apni han ke itu clarity janai dibo karone he itu bi koi dia ase. Thank you very much.
Western Sumi Kagami Hoho ami eta president ase eta koan chena 5 tribes to ami kan resolution banaiche aru ami kan tate strongly tate khara korikena ase etu kane until unless the government to review no korise kole ami kan to agitation phase wise etu chalu koribo kena etu ekta charai
Ultimately memorandum issue Western Sumi Hoho issue polo press release aigulo Western Sumi Hoho polo closure ni future ka koi bana ta beso new madam DC of Newland polo sesi
you see, in a hella group at second class lagi, Allah skim si akan itu mulat mas kau na. Isi ilah kan kamu se, ni wasan sim hona sese, wasan sim ini aku na sese, wasan sim kami kau tu, oh ni len area kami kau tu, ni len area lah, anak ni wasan sim ilan district lah sim high kami kau tu se. Kalau nak kau berjumpa sebagai dah, you SIDC dia kamu cakap mana so, ikan government lagi buat, ikan nak sebut government nak kau decision sendiri lagi. Government jogi ni bebas sekolah nak lakukan.